Imagine a rocket soaring into space, then landing back on Earth ready to fly again. That single idea changed the future of space travel forever. It was once science fiction, but now it is a daily reality for SpaceX. The question is, how do they do it so fast? What secret technology lets a rocket land then launch again in just days? Today, we reveal the hidden engineering behind SpaceX's rapid rocket reuse and how it is rewriting the economics of space exploration. Let us start with a simple truth. Traditional rockets are disposable. They burn millions of dollars in minutes, then fall into the ocean never to return. That waste made spaceflight expensive and limited. But Elon Musk wanted rockets that behave like airplanes. Take off, deliver, and come back for the next mission. That dream led to the birth of the Falcon 9, a reusable rocket with precision landing legs and self guided engines. The key lies in its booster called the first stage. This part carries the main engines and the bulk of the fuel. After launch, it detaches and begins its return journey to Earth. Now, here is where the genius begins. The booster flips in midair and fires its engines backward. It slows itself down through controlled burns and precise guidance. It then lands upright on a floating drone ship in the middle of the ocean. Every movement is calculated by onboard computers faster than human reflexes. This system is called grid fin control. Four titanium fins steer the rocket as it falls through the atmosphere. They use air resistance to adjust the angle and speed perfectly. The heat shield and structure are built with materials that survive extreme stress. Once recovered, the booster is inspected, cleaned, and tested. Sensors embedded throughout the rocket record thousands of data points. That data tells engineers what to fix and what to improve. This allows SpaceX to turn around rockets in record time. Early missions required months between reuses. Now SpaceX can reuse a booster in under 3 weeks. Some boosters have already flown more than 20 times. That is not luck, that is design perfection and machine learning. Artificial intelligence helps predict wear and fatigue before they happen. It turns every flight into a lesson for the next one. This continuous feedback loop makes rockets smarter with every launch. But the real secret lies in modular engineering. Every component is built for rapid disassembly and repair. It is like a high-performance car pit stop for rockets. Technicians swap engines, replace panels, refill fuel, and relaunch. Starship takes this to the next level. Its stainless steel design can handle higher heat and pressure. It is meant to launch, land, and relaunch in a single day. A fully reusable spacecraft capable of reaching Mars and coming back. If that succeeds, space travel will become routine, just as air travel did a century ago. SpaceX is not just building rockets, it is building the foundation of an interplanetary future. And that is the real secret behind SpaceX's rapid rocket reuse technology.